Right, ready? Look up! Ready? Or do you want to leave it open for a bit?
No, don't. Doesn't matter.
I'll leave it open.
You know how I feel about open-topped cars.
I think your head will be fine. Alright. Closing it.
Thank you. That's better.
Squawk, lights, altimeters, mass. Harness type?
Yep.
Mass.
Yeah, well,
Last
that's Mass live. Yeah, visual with him.
Fighter jet thing. Mixture is the M.
Can't take the fighter pilot out of the spider pilot.
No, you can't. Ready to go?
Yep.
Go for a proper rolling 19. I think 5,000 feet will be absolutely fine, look at this. You know what has worked though?
Oh, I can say out loud to everyone how you woke me up early this morning after I got back from a long flight yesterday. Dragged me out of bed.
For this?
Forced me to go to Goodwood with you for lunch.
Oh. You are an oppressed being, aren't you?
Oh, well, what?
An oppressed being. I'm so sorry. Go on my own next time.
Push fuel tanks. Can I do that?
You may. I'll allow it.
May I touch your airplane?
Briefly. CDI, I don't know what it stands for, was in, so you switched to
Course
GPS and relock.
deviation indicator.
Right, that's why you're here. What does that stand for?
Life goes on. The wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a walk.
Well, this is rather pleasant.
In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night,
Golf Bravo Papa, inside control door space radar control.
Weather control, Golf Bravo Papa.
a dream of
Less than 15 miles to go.
Good morning, Golf Romeo Victor, Bravo Papa, RV7 inbound to you for joining instructions.
Victor Bravo Papa, morning to you. It's using runway 14, that's a left-hand circuit. And the QFE 1007.
14 left 1007, Golf Bravo Papa.
Papa, got one in the circuit. How would you like to join, sir?
With any objections to a straight in if it's that quiet?
You can. Report for more final, straight in for 14.
Okay, Golf Bravo Papa, thank you.
Now, can I play around with this?
Do you like that? Golf is final, touch and go, runway 14. And morning, Ben. Good morning, Mike.
Yep. So I don't know what your thing is showing you, but your OBS is 140 degrees.
she said, oh, I know the sun was set to rise. This could be paradise.
Golf Bravo Papa, final 14.
Bravo Papa, roger. Runway 14, you can end discretion. The wind's 1408.
Golf Bravo Papa.
Oh, 1408, right down the runway. Looking good. I'm gonna be quiet now.
Out first.
over here.
Wow, the airplane is very cool.